In this video, we will explore how to calculate the slope and intercept for a linear regression model using the deviation from means method. This approach determines the best fit line by focusing on how each data point deviates from its respective mean for both the x and y variables. Let's consider the following dataset. To apply the deviation from means method, we'll first calculate the means of x and y. Then, we will determine the deviations of each x and y value from their respective means. Next, we will find the product of these deviations and the square of the x deviations. The slope is then calculated by dividing the sum of the cross products of the deviations by the sum of the squared x deviations. Thereafter, we will calculate the intercept by subtracting the product of the slope and the mean of x from the mean of y. Finally, we will insert these values into the regression model equation. The calculated regression line equation is y equals 0.1 plus 2.1x.